P, we end up at 72 inches. In order to lock to these positions, the first thing we need to do is tell the machine, I want to be doing something here at the wall. Okay? To do that, we need to use one of these receptor buttons. So let me bring this over. Which of these 4 buttons do you think we need to use in order to tell it we're aiming at the wall? Okay, very good. Right, so we've got our tube here, it's pointing at the wall. Now that this is on, I'm going to turn on our lock. Which button is that? Detent, good. Now I'm going to use our longitudinal and we're going to drag it over that strip right there. When we bring it over the strip, you'll see that this box at the side with the green dot, that green dot will turn green, right? Will light up. Okay, that tells you you are locked. In addition, if you try and move your tube now, right, it won't go anywhere because you are locked to 72 inches. Now, if we want to do something here at the wall, we also need to make sure that when we aim our X-ray at the wall, it's going to be in the middle of the board. Okay, right now, I'm aiming over here at the edge. I need to get my crosshair, my central ray, here into the center. To do that, we have another lock, this time along our lateral rail. So if you take a look up here, right, we have these 2 locks as well. One of them says table, one of them says wall. So we want to make sure that we take our lateral and we drag the machine all the way over to the strip that says wall. Once we bring it over and it locks, the green light comes on. Okay, so now we have a green light here.
So when we're going to move to the wall, we will need to unlock it first and then move it.
So if you want to get it here lined up to the wall,
yes,
you want your lock on, and then you want to bring it this way longitudinal until you lock to your 72. You want to bring it this way lateral until you lock to your wall, and then you want to leave it on still, okay? So it should be on the entire time. The only time you would take this off is, for example, if you got caught on the wrong lock. So let me give you an example. So right now, I am not locked to the wall. I am actually locked to the strip that says table. So you look here, my crosshair is in the wrong place, right? My central ray is in the wrong place. If I want to take this machine and move it into the center now, it won't move because I'm locked in. So at this point, we can unlock it temporarily, move it a little bit so we're no longer stuck on that strip, turn our lock back on, and then move it the rest of the way. Okay, that's the only time we would be unlocking our machine. Otherwise, if we're here at the wall, this lock should always be on, and we should always have 2 green lights. This one up here for the lateral, and that one over there for the longitudinal. Okay, that tells us this tube is in the perfect position to get our X-rays at 72 inches.